Our sky is full of stars, and when a star dies, it leaves behind a black hole. But the question is, does every star eventually turn into a supermassive black hole when it dies? Let's see. When a star reaches the end of its lifespan, it starts to collapse and die. During this process, the star leaves behind a core with a mass that it collapses under the force of its own gravity. And that's how the black hole gets created. It is a place in space where gravity pulls in a very strong way that even the light cannot get out. And the question is, does any star turn into a giant or a supermassive black hole? When a normal-sized star dies, it leaves behind a stellar black hole, which is a relatively small black hole. And by small we mean 3 to 4 times the mass of the Sun. But when a giant star dies out, it forms an enormous black hole. This is one of the most interesting moments ever, the moment that reveals the birth of a supermassive black hole. This is not a usual black hole that is slightly larger than the Sun. No, we are talking about the size of millions of times the Sun's mass. These supermassive black holes are usually located at the center of every single galaxy, including the Milky Way. Once these enormous black holes form, they gather a massive mass from the clouds of dust and gas around them in the center of the galaxy. And that's how a supermassive black hole grows in size continuously to be bigger and bigger. Scientists say that this is not the only way that forms a supermassive black hole, but it can be formed due to the merging of thousands of small black holes until they grow in size and create a supermassive black hole. In our galaxy, the Milky Way, we have more than 100 million black holes. But as we mentioned before, studies indicate that almost every single large galaxy like ours has a supermassive black hole at its center. Although scientists can't see the black holes normally like seeing any star or any planet, but they detect the dust and the gas radiations that comes out of the black hole. Supermassive black holes have an extreme gravitational pull that makes any near-space object fall into them. But until today, there is not enough evidence about what would happen to us if we reach the point of no return inside the black hole. Scientists say that a supermassive black hole might be a wormhole or a door to another dimension or other areas in the universe. No one knows exactly what's inside it. But what they are pretty sure about it is that you will never be able to escape it or come back being tugged into a black hole due to its massive gravitational pull. If you want to escape a supermassive black hole, the only way to do that is to move at a speed faster than the speed of light. But unfortunately, nothing can move faster than the velocity of light, according to the theory of general relativity. So it is almost impossible to escape the giant of space, the supermassive black hole. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you again.